As the question says, a force F equals to A plus Bx acts on a particle in the x direction where A and B are constants. Find the work done by this force during a displacement from x equal to 0 to x equal to d. Now, in this question we have been given the force equals to A plus Bx, where A and B are the constants. Now we need to find the work done where we have been given the displacement from 0 to d. Now we all know that work done is equals to force, that is F dx, that is the displacement in the direction of the force from 0 to d, that is 0 is being the initial limit and d being the final, because it has been displaced from 0 to d, and we need to put the limits of displacement itself because dx is the small element of displacement. Putting the values over here, we can get 0 to d integral of A plus B x dx, giving us ax plus bx square by 2, having the limits 0 to d, giving us AD plus BD square by 2. So this is actually the work done on the particle.